Hola, the main cultural practice there is Catholicism. The population is about 40 million, and Christianity is ranked fourth.
Bonjour à tous. I'm representing the country of France with a population of approximately 66.5 million people. The capital of France is Paris, who also hosted the 2024 Olympics earlier this year. And the main religion they practice is Catholicism, and the country of France ranks 14th in the world in Christianity.
Ciao, I'm representing Italy. Italy's capital is Rome. Italy's population makes up about 54 million, and the main religion is Catholicism. Italy's Christian percentage is 84%.
Today I'm representing China. The capital city of China is Beijing with a population of 2 billion people. 5% of the 2 billion are Christian, making Christianity second, and the number one religion is Buddhism.
안녕하세요. I'm representing South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul with 51.63 million people there. The main religions are Buddhism and Christianity, with Christianity being 32% of South Korea.
Hola, estoy representando a Mexico. The capital of Mexico is Mexico City, with a population of 127.5 million people. The most practiced religion is Roman Catholicism, and by country, Christianity ranks third in Mexico.
I'm representing Great Britain. Great Britain's capital is London. The population is 57 million, and the number one practiced religion is Christianity, and Christianity ranks number one.
Konnichiwa, I'm representing Japan, and the capital of Japan is Tokyo. The main religion of Japan is Shintoism. The percentage of Christianity is 1.5%.
Namaste, I'm representing India. The capital of India is New Delhi. The population is 1.417 billion, and the most practiced religion in India is Hinduism, and Christianity ranks third.
Somebody cop! I am representing Thailand. The capital is Bangkok with a population of 41.9 million people. The main religion is Buddhism, while 1.2% claim to be Christian.
I'm ready to my duty, ready to cross, ready to give my life. 'Cause I'm a soldier, I'm a yes, I'm a soldier. 俘虏你同多缺的那天，主耶稣我感，俘虏你单车，主耶稣我独家木花子，保守在你的路，自由天老越多，我只有到寂寞，不与我想我努力，多好我只学，不与我鸟我过完，直到路过美容。
Let's sing one more time of that song. And this time, this is his song. Nên câu này chắc là sao để dành ý họ là cho biết sáng đoạn này hay là xuất huyết. Sự là hù. Những cái khó khăn cao của những cái khó khăn.
Si thâu trên Giêsu, cú trên lòng đua chia, si nó thiệt, Chúa Giêsu có lòng ca, cú đua này vì tan cho Giêsu tu cho một pháp tử, ta rộng ra như là hú. 色越接了越多，我只有到这末，不越想我努力，刚好我只是不越鸟我高温，直到路过美中，最后。 过问，是道路光美容。古原有我过问，是